My daughter loves her Tamagotchi, so I am sure she will love this Giga Pet. I love that it's a virtual unicorn. So let's open this up and see how it compares. Now, the only thing in the box is the Giga Pet itself. And on the back of the box, it shows that you can name your pet, tame your pet, play games with your pet, and claim your pet. Take home your Giga Pet today. So to start, you'll want to pull this tab in the back to activate the battery. And it immediately asks me to set the time. Before I do that, look how cute this is. I love all the rainbows and stars. It's slightly larger than the Tamagotchi, but it's actually a really good size, really good to stick on a backpack, playful that way, or a keychain, but I know my daughter would go with her backpack. And down here, I love that the buttons are actually labeled. You have left, right, and then mode and enter. So let's set it up real quick. And you can choose any name you want. Really, really clear so far how to use it. And I love the buttons, really easy to press. And now we have begun. It starts right up with your unicorn. You can feed them. I'm sure this is to have them go to sleep. The next one is you can play with it, and there's actually quite a few different games you can play. There's like a toss and a run, and I don't even know what this splat game is. Let's do the running game here. This one, I need to jump over hurdles. Whoa! And if I miss it, I will crash, and the game will be over. But that's so cute that they're actually fun games to play. The next one is health. Let's click on that one. We actually get an ambulance and a doctor to take care of the unicorn. And then we have bathing, where you get to brush your unicorn. I can see my score, how well I'm taking care of my unicorn. And then you have this little bell where you can do a reward or a trick. Let's do reward. That looks like ice cream. And I assume if I did trick, I can do a variety of tricks. I can do back legs. I can trick them with a horn. The dab. Let's do the dab. Unicorn doesn't want to do the dab yet. I must not be that close with it yet. Let's see what else we got here. This one looks like a sad face. It looks like this is telling me that my unicorn's not happy, and it's telling me that my unicorn wants to play with me. So I had to play a lot of games with it to get it to stop flashing. It was very demanding to play games, but now it's happier. And you can see everything that's going on by going to the heart. And if you hit enter on that, you'll see your score. And you can also see where they're at on everything, if they've had enough food. And right here's how happy they are. My unicorn is just barely over 50. I probably should play with them some more, but they are happy right now. And over time, your unicorn will grow up. Now, if you go to mode, you'll see the time, and you can click through, and you can see the name. You can also control the volume, which I love, that you can turn on or off the volume. And you can always just reset the whole thing if you want to. But overall, that's it. Really cute, simple. I do love all the interactive pieces to it. It's not much different than a Tamagotchi, except that it's a unicorn and it doesn't hatch out of an egg. It's just there to play with. The interactive games are definitely more interactive. I like the little games it has of jumping and trying to get crowns on its head. And it's very, very cute. I am sure your kid will love this adorable Giga Pet.